Welcome to the captivating world of birds, one of nature's most diverse and enchanting creatures. Birds, or aves, represent a class of animals distinguished by their feathers, beaks, and remarkable adaptations for flight. With over 10,000 species spread across the globe, they come in all shapes, sizes, and colors, each uniquely adapted to their environment. From the dense rainforests of the Amazon, where the resplendent scarlet macaw makes its home, to the sweeping deserts of Africa, where the resilient secretary bird roams, birds have evolved to thrive in every corner of the earth. Their plumage, which can be as subtle as the muted tones of the eastern bluebird or as striking as the iridescent feathers of the green jay, serves not only as camouflage, but also as a canvas for communication and attraction. Flight is perhaps the most awe-inspiring feature of birds. Their lightweight skeletal structure, powerful muscles, and intricately designed wings enable them to soar across continents, navigate through intricate air currents, and even hover in place. The peregrine falcon, renowned for its breathtaking speed, can reach over 240 miles per hour during its hunting stoop, while the albatross, with its impressive wingspan, can glide effortlessly for hours across the open ocean. Birds are also master builders and caregivers. The art of nest construction varies widely among species, from the intricate woven nests of the weaver birds to the elaborate architectural marvels of the bowerbirds. Their nurturing behaviors, including feeding and protecting their young, reflect a deep-seated instinct for family and survival. Beyond their physical adaptations, birds display remarkable intelligence. The problem-solving skills of the New Caledonian crow and the complex social behaviors of parrots reveal a level of cognitive ability that rivals some mammals. Their use of tools, understanding of cause and effect, and ability to mimic human speech underscore their cognitive sophistication. The avian voice is another marvel of nature. Birds produce a stunning array of vocalizations, from the intricate melodies of the nightingale to the distinct calls of the common loon. These songs serve various purposes, including territory defense, mate attraction, and communication within flocks. Each bird species has its own unique repertoire, reflecting its environment and social structure. Feeding habits among birds are as diverse as their forms. While flamingos filter feed on algae and small crustaceans in shallow waters, raptors like eagles and hawks are adept hunters, using their keen eyesight and powerful talons to capture prey. Some species, such as the hummingbird, have specialized beaks and long tongues adapted for extracting nectar from flowers. Birds inhabit a staggering variety of environments, from the icy polar regions where the emperor penguin endures harsh conditions to the vibrant coral reefs where the colorful kingfisher hunts. Each habitat presents its own challenges and opportunities, shaping the behavior and adaptations of the resident bird species. As we embark on this journey through the avian world, we will explore the beauty, intelligence, and adaptability of these incredible creatures. Join us as we delve into the lives of birds, unraveling the mysteries of their flight, their songs, and their survival strategies. Welcome to a world where every flutter of a wing tells a story, every call resonates with the symphony of life, and every habitat reveals the remarkable diversity of the avian world. Let's begin our exploration of the enchanting world of birds. Welcome to the Wings of Wonder, the world of birds.